Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Thank you guys for sending me this unit for review. And here we go. We're moving along. And now this is coming from... oh boy. What is this? New upgraded Splint Plantar GIMCALO. So you can read that. Made in China. What is this? Alright, let's take a look. Oh, this is for ankle, foot. Whoa. Alright. Take a look here. All types of stuff. Put your foot through here. I'll show you in a demo in a second. Look at that. Shiny. You shouldn't be sliding. Should be good to go. Got that one. And then now... oh, we got two of them. Okay. Oh, my foot, right foot. Hello. It's been one day. Oh. And there we go. Same people. Try it on in a second. Same thing. So they got things for your shoelace tie. Or you got that kind of style. Kind of like that. Here's a sparkle. Let's try this on. This is for the right foot. Let me take my shoes off, put you guys on pause. Alright guys, see this? And see my foot moving? It locks it in. And this one by the ankles. I'm a size 14. This fits, so there we go. You can walk with it. Always adjust it. There we go. Kind of like a walking boot. But definitely feels good for the foot. Right there. Ankle. Right there. So, there you go. Definitely check them out. Like I said, it's really nice to have. Your foot right through. And take a walk. You ain't gonna slide and hurt yourself, so definitely I wouldn't be running around the house with it, but you know, for the kitchen, to the bathroom, these are good enough right now. Here we go. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Be safe. Have a good night.